guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.coinsandconnections.com. Smile for me. I am here with the Bonfire unboxing. You guys have seen me create a new account on Bonfire and upload my first product. My package is here and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it live for you all. I ordered a long sleeve shirt and it was $40.04. I ordered it on November 8th and it arrived on November 17th. I've already cut the top of my package. Of course, I blocked out my address, but it comes in a package like this that says Bonfire. It has like the little logo. It says custom made for you. It says wear Bonfire. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the shirt. Gonna make sure there's nothing else in the bag, which there wasn't. It was folded nicely, and this is a Comfort Colors t-shirt, long sleeve. The design I'm going to show you guys is a new design that I'm trying out for Christmas. I normally don't do Christmas designs, but I decided that I would try one out, and this fudge from A Christmas Story design was kind of trending, and I put my own twist and take on it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. So this is my Oh Fudge shirt from A Christmas Story, making sure you guys can see that. I'm going to get closer to the camera just so you guys can see the detail. Here has all of the detail in it, the crack in the glasses, the Oh Fudge looks good, and this is on black. You can see how well that looks. I did feel like it took a little longer for this order to be produced. Bonfire does have that print on demand scale, something like Teespring when they do like the batch orders, and I didn't want to like wait for 3 orders to go into batch before people get their products. I just did the print on demand product where it would be printed every time that someone would order. Still, it took almost a week and a half to get it shipped out. To me, it was a little longer than I'm probably used to, but all in all, it arrived in good shape. I'm amazed at the quality, and I am going to try it on for you guys. I'll probably insert a clip of me with the shirt on, just showing you how it fits. I do love how this shirt fits. Comfort Colors is very comfortable, as you can see in the video. And if you guys want to go ahead and sign up for Bonfire, make sure you go ahead and check out the link in my description box, and make sure you check out the other 2 videos showing you guys how to set up a new account on Bonfire and upload your first product. Thanks so much for subscribing and watching my channel. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.